Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Enterprises are increasingly adopting cloud-based solutions. The data traffic in the world is experiencing a swift increase due to the spread of internet services and cloud applications, and further capacity enlargement of the optical fiber network is required. All around the world, the internet continues to transform how we connect with others, organize the flow of things, and share information. With its growing influence on individual consumers and large economies alike, the internet has become an increasingly vital part of our day-to-day lives. As of January 2021, there were 4.66 billion active internet users worldwide, that is 59.5% of the global population. Of this, 5.2 billion mobile phone owners in the world, more than 8 in 10 use their phones to access the internet. China, India, and the United States rank ahead of all other countries in terms of internet users. China has more than 854 million internet users, and India has approximately 560 million online users. Both countries still have large parts of the population that are offline. As millions of people go online for entertainment and more, total internet hits have surged by between 50% and 70% according to preliminary statistics. Streaming has also jumped by at least 12%, the estimate shows. Growth opportunities abound for tech companies executing on all forms of digital transformation, particularly in the areas of cloud, XaaS, analytics, robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and edge computing. While cloud computing and artificial intelligence continues to dominate the technology industry, edge computing is also making headlines. For many companies, the impetus to move to the cloud is the promise of enhanced flexibility, process optimization, and cost reduction. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Qualcomm expected to bring chip for laptop makers in just 2 quarters. Qualcomm Inc.'s new chief thinks that by next year, his company will have just the chip for laptop makers, wondering how they can compete with Apple Inc., which last year introduced laptops using a customer-designed central processor chip that boasts longer battery life. Qualcomm president Cristiano Amon said the leading players Intel and AMD have no chips as energy efficient as Apple's. He believes his company can have the best chip in the market. Digit Insurance Company, valued at $3.5 billion in the new round of funding. Bengaluru-based fintech startup Digit boosted its valuation to $3.5 billion in a fresh funding round, gaining capital for its effort to win insurance customers via mobile technology, a 1.8-time jump from January after securing $200 million in a funding round led by returning investor Fairing Capital. New participants in the round included Secure Capital India and IIFL Alternate Assets Management, amongst others, as per a statement. The company is backed by cricketer Virat Kohli. Accenture strengthens its cloud infrastructure services by buying CES Technology. Accenture is in the shopping mood and is expected to make a world record of acquiring companies in a very short span of time of just 12 months to touch half the century. A record says it has already acquired 40 companies in the last 10 months. It has continued its major acquisition push by buying cloud infrastructure services provider CES Technology. The payment terms are not disclosed yet. It comes as Accenture attempts to push further into the hybrid cloud infrastructure arena. Sources said it has also entered into an agreement to acquire Trividas AG, an IT services provider specializing in platforms and solutions that enable highly automated provisioning and innovative use of data. IBM spins off Kyndryl introduces 6 managed services practices. IBM has announced the operating model for its forthcoming Kyndryl Managed Infrastructure business spin-off, detailing 6 global managed services practices and naming the senior leadership team. The 6 global managed services practices are Cloud, Digital Workplace, Security and Resiliency, Network and Edge, Core Enterprise and Z Cloud and Applications, Data and Artificial Intelligence. Kyndryl CEO Martin Skroeter said in a LinkedIn post that Kyndryl partners should expect the company to work with you to deepen our capabilities and bring the best of our expanded ecosystem to our customers. Kyndryl will also offer an advisory and implementation services practice to advise customers on digital environments and advanced technology adoption and integration. Google may get $1 billion cloud business deal with Reliance Jio. Google Cloud could potentially earn over $1 billion in revenue through its deal with Reliance Jio as per the recent update. Google is aggressively taking on cloud rivals such as Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. However, both the companies have not disclosed the financial terms of the deal or spelled out the timelines for its implementation. The analysts predict that the partnership is similar to Google's deal with Deutsche Bank, which has been one of the largest so far for Google and is expected to be $1 billion+ saving for the bank. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.